The HP Victus 15 FA 2013DX is a popular entry-level gaming laptop known for offering a solid balance between price and performance. It is particularly well suited for students and casual gamers who need a machine for both productivity and 1080p gaming. Core specifications: processor Intel Core i5-13420H, 13th Gen, 8 cores, up to 4.6 GHz, graphics NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, 6 GB GDDR6 dedicated, memory 8 GB DDR4-3200 MHz, usually 1x8 GB, upgradable, storage 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe M.2 SSD, display 15.6-inch FHD, 1920x1080, 144 Hz, IPS, 300 nits, anti-glare, battery 3-cell, 52.5 Wh, supports HP fast charge, weight 2.29 kg, 5.06 pounds. Upgraded GPU: unlike older budget models that used a 4 GB RTX 3050, click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. This specific model, FA 2013DX, features the 6 GB VRAM version, which provides better stability in modern games that demand more video memory. High refresh rate: the 144 Hz display is excellent for competitive esports titles like Valorant, Counter-Strike, or Fortnite, where smooth motion is a tactical advantage. Modern design: it sports the mica silver finish, which looks professional and understated compared to many aggressive gaming laptops. It fits in just as well in a classroom or office as it does at a gaming desk. RAM upgrade recommended: while 8 GB is the starting point, most modern games and multitasking, like having Chrome open while gaming, will run much smoother if you add a second 8 GB stick to reach 16 GB. Build material: the chassis is primarily plastic. While sturdy, it lacks the premium feel of the HP Omen series or metal-clad laptops. Thermal management: users often recommend using the Omen Gaming Hub software to manage fan speeds, as budget gaming laptops can run warm during long, intensive sessions. Connectivity and ports: 1x USB Type-C, 5 gigabits per second signaling, DisplayPort 1.4, HP Sleep and Charge, 2x USB Type-A, 1 with HP Sleep and Charge, 1x HDMI 2.1, 1x RJ45, Ethernet, 1x headphone/microphone combo. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content.